Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to add shipping methods in WooCommerce website. This is my website login page. Before that I will show you this website how it looks like now. I just opened in incognito mode. I am going to show here two types of shipping method here. One is flat rate and another is free shipping method. For example, any customer is placing the order below 1000 rupees, customer needs to pay the courier charges. If customer is placing order above 1000 rupees, shipping will be provided as a free. Now I am logging into my website page. This is the WP WordPress dashboard. Under that, we need to go for WooCommerce. Once you click the WooCommerce, click on the setting. Under that setting method, click on shipping. Once you click on the shipping, here you will find 2-3 types of shipping method has been added. Now I am going to delete these settings to teach you. I just now deleted. I am going to open this website. I am adding product and click on the view product. Here is my cart page. Here you will see there is no shipping method. Without shipping method, customer is not able to place the order. First you need to click on add zone. Under add zone, you can give any name here. In my case, I am putting India because I am selling these products within India only. So I am putting as for identification, I am giving name India. Here, a specific region in this world, which are the countries where you want to sell your products. That thing you need to select. I am going to sell in India only, so I selected India. Okay. Click on add shipping method. Select free shipping method. First one is free shipping. Click on that and then click continue. And then here you need to select whatever you want. In my case, I am selecting minimum order amount. That means customer has to place a minimum order amount to get this free shipping benefit. For example, in my case, I given 999. To avail this benefit, the customer needs to buy about 999 product. Okay, now I will refresh this page. Here once again check because it is 999, but on that page is added only for 597 rupees only. So I am not be able to get this benefit. So what I am doing, I am updating my card. So it should come above 999. Look, if my order is crossed above 1000 rupees, then this free shipping method is showing. Okay, so I am going to add another method. The customer who is ordering below 999 rupees. Okay, so for that I am going to set a minimum a flat amount for shipping purpose. So I am here put it 75 rupees for each shipping. The orders which I am receiving below 1000 rupees, that means 999. Okay, so what I am doing, I am updating cart as below 1000 rupees. So now you can see this. I have in my shopping cart, the flat rate is came 75 rupees. It will be calculated. It will be added in customer's account. Okay, so this how you can add shipping method in WooCommerce. Thank you. Have a nice day.